What's up? What's up? Dr. Brooke here, your local cryptocractor, where we are going to be learning about all things Web3, blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies, NFTs. If you're interested in this information and would love to learn more, please subscribe to the channel below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel get more out there for other people, right? So today I want to talk to you about what it is about doing your own research. Right now, we are currently in a bear market. Most of all of the financial assets are all in the red. So they're trending downward. And we've seen a lot of crashes, so to speak, in the crypto space. So I'm not going to pretend that I know a lot about the stock market, but I do know enough information about cryptocurrency and how to invest wisely should you want to have a great transfer of wealth in the years to come. So, with the bear market, it gives us the opportunity to really look into certain projects, really have a lot of conviction. If you've taken any of my courses, listened to any of my podcast episodes in the past, you will know what I'm talking about. I talk about investing with conviction and not emotion. Forgive my voice, you guys. I am fighting a little bit of a head cold, but I want to get this content out. I think it's very important and very timely considering what is happening in our markets currently. So, with that being said, let's get started. Today, I'm going to be using CoinGecko. If you've taken my courses, you know I've also used CoinMarketCap, but we're going to use CoinGecko today. So here's the current cryptocurrency price markets by market cap based at like 3:30 in the afternoon Pacific time on June 16th. So obviously these fluctuate and change pretty drastically. They can go up, they can go down. For those of you new in the space, you can have really low lows and really high highs, up to 30 to 40% changes, sometimes upwards of 80% changes in any given moment. As of right now, things tend to be trending towards the red, towards the losses, which is a great time, which is really a great time if you're new to get into the space and learn all you can. So I want to show you how you can use companies or tools like CoinGecko to really investigate projects. You're watching this video here on YouTube. YouTube has tons of different people, tons of different channels talking about all things cryptocurrency, all things Web3 and NFTs. And sometimes people are there shilling you, or so to speak, like telling you to purchase a coin or to buy into a project because they're getting financial kickbacks to say that. The project may not be good, it may not be well, but because you have respect in the person that's telling you that, you quickly purchase a bunch of it and then you see something called a rug pull happen. I don't want that to happen to you. This is why it's important to understand how to do good research into a project and have a better understanding of how things work. So, for instance, we're just going to look at one of the top 10 coins here in the CoinGecko marketplace, right? So let's go with Cardano, lucky number 7, Cardano. We're going to go ahead and click on Cardano. And here's all of the information in terms of Cardano, the current price point of Cardano, all the information you can search it by, where you can find their communities, all of the Cardano information, finding out how many tokens they have in circulating supply. So we can see we have quite a bit of tokens in circulating supply. They have 45 billion tokens. It looks like 45 billion tokens is their max supply. They have 33,000 in circulating supply and a $16 billion market cap. So pretty big market cap considering. I mean, they are ranked number 7 on the entire cryptocurrency platform. But this is how you can kind of do some more research. So you want to look down. This gives you their general price chart over the last 24 hours. You can take that out for a full week. You can see what it was the last 2 weeks. You can go out a full year, and you can even look at it like their max, right? So max for Cardano it looks like all-time high was closer to that almost $3 marker, 296 in September of 2021. They traded sideways here for a few years, it looks like. If you know anything about the markets, back in 2018, we had something called a crypto winter. So they managed to make it through the crypto winter okay. A lot of projects ended up dying out in the year 2018. So Cardano was able to make it. They've been moving and tracking and going through that. So for those of you who don't know, Cardano is a blockchain in and of itself. It's considered a layer 1 solution. Ethereum is a blockchain. It's also considered a layer 1 solution. So there's many different cryptocurrencies to purchase or to invest in that aren't layer 1 solutions, that aren't their own blockchain. They are tokens that are built upon smart contracts on top of an existing blockchain. Those are coins, there's all different kinds of coins. I won't even get into that actually, because that's just opening up a whole new can of worms. And I don't want to get this more confusing for you. So with that being said, you can look at, this is just their price history, how they've been trending price wise. But we don't just want to go based off price action when we're making investments. We really want to look at fundamentals, because in a market like the bear market, we need to be looking more at fundamentals than we do at prices. So prices are great when you're in a bull market and things are just pumping, and you can just like put $100 in and turn it into 1,000 really quickly. But when we're in a bear market, we need to be very intelligent and very smart about how and where we're throwing money into. So here's their price target. Like I said, we'll get into that. Oh, looks like their all-time high was wrong. 309. They did crash that or break through that 309 barrier. So when we go down to further down, we can see, their price today, what the highest price is, lowest price, what their 24-hour trading volume is. So in 24 hours, looks like they do about $1.2 billion of trading volume in a day. These are the exchanges that you can find Cardano on. You can buy Cardano on these exchanges, and you can find some news articles about Cardano down below. So more importantly, I want to draw your attention to what Cardano is. So when you click on that read more on CoinGecko, you can see where Cardano can be traded, which we looked at below. But more importantly, like what Cardano is. So Cardano is Cardano Crypto's decentralized platform blockchain that will allow complex programmable transfers of value in secure and scalable fashion. Okay, that may sound like gibberish to most people, but basically, essentially, it's allowing like programmable, like transfers, smart contracts on their blockchain. Ethereum allows for smart contracts on their blockchain. Now, there's been issues with Cardano in the past going down, maybe not being as secure, but Cardano really values their slow and steady approach to growth. There's a lot of other blockchains, Solana, for example, that is currently in beta and has gone down now 5 times since their inception. And it's only 2022 and they've gone down 5 times in beta because they're more quick, build fast, and build quick. Cardano is this slow, steady pace. In fact, the founder of Cardano was actually one of the original people for the Ethereum project. There was like 5 or 6 original people in that project. A few of them split off. Charles was one that split off and started Cardano. He is the one doing the Cardano platform, and he really prides himself on the slow and steady approach. They've gone down, I want to say, just a few times, but not as many, not nearly as many as Solana. So drawing your attention here, it is the first blockchain platform to evolve out of a scientific philosophy and a research first driven approach. The development team consists of large global collective of expert engineers and research. Again, going back to that point that Charles really wants this slow, steady approach where he's building something long lasting. This is what I like about Cardano. So again, you can find more information, technological innovation. Excuse me, that voice is going out. There's all of these different things that you can learn about the Cardano platform, their tech side of it, the conceptual. Oh my goodness, guys, forgive me. The conceptual innovation and what their token is, like how the token works on the Cardano blockchain, how you can use it if you are a holder. If you're just holding it to invest, that's also something fine, but it is also access to utilize their blockchain and gives you access to, more of what they're doing. So they do have wallets. They have their entire foundation. They're creating a Cardano protocol. They're creating the Cardano community. They're creating a Cardano ecosystem. They do eventually want to, if they haven't already started, I'm not aware, but they do want to start having an NFT platform as well, where people can purchase and build NFTs on their platform. Many other blockchains that I actually really love, like the Chronos ecosystem, crypto.com blockchain, they have their own NFT platform where you can purchase NFTs. Cardano is looking to do the same. A lot of the gripe that they get in the marketplace is that not a lot of people purchase NFTs there. Like, I actually don't even know of an NFT project built on the Cardano blockchain, but they are building slow and steady. Solana, who's went down 5 times already, does have a big, huge NFT marketplace, huge in the gaming space. So their tokenomics, their token hit an all-time high, I want to say, of close to like $200, $230. Right now, currently in this bear market, they're trading up downwards of like $33-ish right now. So that might be a project to get into long-term if you do see value in Solana after you do your own research based on this. So, you can also learn about their project roadmap. This is the part that I think is very, very important. You want to see the future of where this project is going. If this roadmap is wonky or like doesn't have much like to it, and it's just like, we're going to build something in the future and yay, like come on board with us, I would kind of really second guess that, because that's not a good roadmap. Like, you will see roadmaps from NFT projects as well, that claim that they're going to do stuff at different points in time, and that's how they're going to maintain the value of the NFT project for you, and all of these things. Because truth be told, just like Gary Vee says a lot, most NFTs, 99% of them will go to zero. So it matters where you're putting your money. If these are NFTs, I don't mean to get on a side tangent because we're talking about cryptocurrency tokens right now, but just to close up the loop with the NFTs, if you are looking to purchase NFTs, you need to make sure that this is a sustainable project, unless you're just looking at it to have a cool art piece or a cool, something from your favorite vendor or your favorite, like musical band or whatever that might be. If it's just something like you're going to hold that's not going to have any resale value, that's okay too. But understand that if you're looking to buy and trade NFTs, most of them will go to zero after this little bubble pop that we're kind of moving through right now, based on what's happening in the marketplace. So with all that said and done, I hope this was very helpful. Again, another great place to look is CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap, very similar. You can search cryptocurrencies by their total market cap, or you can search cryptocurrencies here. You can learn all about the tokenomics, how many that they have in their circulating supply, what their total supply is, what their fully diluted valuation is, all of the things that are necessary to make really educated decisions on what to invest in. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you got a lot of value out of it. If you haven't already, by the end of this, liked and subscribed to this channel, please do so. It helps me get this out to more people, and we are building a stronger community. We are creating more female voices in the Web3 space, and doing amazing, amazing things. So glad you're here. Thank you for watching and have a blessed, wonderful day. Until next time,